So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to make your dreams come true, literally. Like, this is a hack that I've used and it works, girlfriend. So I wanted to share it with you guys. And yeah, so if you're interested on how you can make your dreams come true, literally, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about the subconscious mind and how to make your dreams come true, literally. And now this is a hack that I've used and it's so powerful and it really works. And so I wanted to share this with you guys as well. So we're going to talk about a state akin to sleep, or SATs as they call them, and the hack that I've done and how you can really, what's the word? Affect your dream, like your dream state with this hack. So we're going to talk about that. But before we get into the video, girlfriend, I got to introduce myself. My name is Amber Turner. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and experience. I'm also the author of the journal 365 Ways to Glow Up, and so it's a prompted belief journal. I have a hard time talking about my journal because it's a little tricky, but it's 365 transformational beliefs for glowing up for every day, and so you can contemplate on the transformational beliefs, and it's going to help change your internal belief system to something that better serves you. Because when it comes to our outer experience, it starts on the inside. It starts with your beliefs and your belief system. So in this video, I want to talk about your dreams and making them come true, literally. So when it comes to the subconscious mind, and I talk a lot about the subconscious mind a lot on this channel and how it creates our reality. It's really powerful in creating our reality. I mean, a lot of our beliefs are subconscious and it's reflected in our outer experience. And so impressing the subconscious mind is so important, especially when you're intentionally trying to manifest. And so in this video, I want to talk about SATs, as people call it. It's I'm getting texts. I keep getting texts, so I'm like, is something wrong? Like, I keep looking at it. But I want to talk about SATs, which is a state akin to sleep. So this is the process of impressing your subconscious mind right before you go to sleep. So whatever you're trying to manifest, you visualize it and you loop it, and you try to fall asleep to that visualization, that imagination that you're looping. So I wanted to offer this hack because this is something that I do, and I have to admit I'm a little lazy, especially when it comes to bedtime. I'm not one of those people that kind of like stays up. Like, if I hit the bed, I'm like out. I fall asleep pretty easy, and so deliberately imagining and looping it and trying to fall asleep to an imaginal act is pretty challenging for me. So this is something that I've come up with, and it's super powerful and it works for me, and so hopefully it will work for you. And so pretty much, I don't have a term for this or anything like this. This is just what I do. I script what I'm trying to experience, what I'm trying to manifest, what I'm trying to experience. So I'll take the time, typically in the morning, to write a script. If you do not know what scripting is, it's pretty much journaling in the future. It's journaling about something you wish to experience and how it feels. So you're pretty much writing your perfect story, so to speak. Like, it's an amazing thing to do. It's so fun. And I always tell people when they're like, I don't know if I want a script, I'm like, you're writing your like dream story. Like, why wouldn't you want to do that? That's a story that I want to write. So typically I'll script in the morning and I'll write my dream story, whatever it is. If it's a man, if it's like a house, a car, whatever it is, or just an experience. Honestly, I like to manifest opportunities and experiences. So you can do that too. You can write about any and everything that you want to experience. And so I do that in the morning typically. But also, what I do, I keep getting texts like, is something going on? Oh my gosh. And so typically, like I said, where was I? So typically in the mornings, I'll script something that I'm trying to manifest, something that I'm trying to experience. But in addition to that, I'll actually record myself reading it out loud. So whatever future story, future experience, imaginal act that I'm trying to experience, I record it on my phone. And, with all the recording apps out there, it's just so easy that you can do this. So like download a recording app on your phone and record yourself reading this story out loud. And I think you know where I'm going with this. And so record it. And in those recording apps too, you can actually loop it. So loop the story over and over and over again. And you can make it however long you want. I make mine, I think my stories, because I have several stories honestly on my phone that I listen to at night, they last almost all night. So I have a bunch of stories on my phone, but you can loop it and make it however long you want. And if you really want it to be impactful, make it long, okay? Make it a long loop where you just loop the story over and over and over again. And obviously, you know where I'm going with this. You play it going to sleep and during your sleep. Now, this is super powerful because this is not only are you falling asleep to your imaginal act, your story that you are reading out loud to yourself, but you're also sleeping to it. Now, I have to say how powerful this is. I've had dreams where I would have people in my dreams actually stating what I'm saying in the recording back to me in my dreams. Like I can, and sometimes it controls your dreams. And so you'll see these things show up in your dreams. So especially if you want to dream about it, you can really affect your dream state by having this loop while you're sleeping. The story, the dream that you want to experience. And how amazing is that? And not only are you impressing the subconscious mind, but you're also like having a dream about it. That's super crazy and super powerful and something that's just super fun. And this is the thing, when they talk about, I'm about to get real with you guys. I'm about to get adult with you guys. Okay? So, typically with scripting and imaginal acts, people talk about cars and stuff like that, but you can take this wherever you want. If you get my drift. Like, we're adults here. Come on. You can take this wherever you want and you can experience whatever you want in your dreams. There's nothing wrong with impressing your subconscious mind with that kind of thing. It's actually pretty fun. So here's the thing when it comes to manifesting. Sometimes we limit ourselves on what we think is possible in the things that we can manifest. Okay, we think that it has to be some external car, stuff like that. But you can manifest opportunities. And I talk about this, and I'll put the link here for that video where I talk about the 3 steps to manifesting specific people and amazing opportunities and experiences. Okay, like it doesn't have to be these tangible things. It can be great, amazing experiences. Okay, and why not? That stuff is amazing. And so I wanted to offer this hack, so to speak, because it's super powerful. And I'm telling you, it's super powerful. Like, it's just super powerful. I'll just leave that there. But again, script, read it out loud, record yourself reading your imaginal act, whatever that is for you, and record it, loop it, and fall asleep to it and listen to it while you're sleeping as well. It's going to continuously impress the subconscious mind. And it's kind of like a great hack, honestly, because it's something that is easy to do and you can do it often. You know, sometimes we go to bed and we're just so exhausted, right? And so we don't want to do it. Or sometimes it's hard to get in the state of imagining and, you know, visualizing and this kind of thing. But if you have a recording and you're reading it out loud to yourself, how powerful that is. And I've proven it. And it's super, super powerful. So I wanted to share that hack. And it's really cool when you hear it in your dreams. I mean, because like sometimes I'll wake up because I'll forget that I did it. Like I don't know why, but I'll forget that I did it, and I'll wake up and I said, wow, that person in my dream was saying the exact things. And I was like, oh yeah, because I was listening to it while I was sleeping, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to offer that to you guys, and it's super powerful in impressing the subconscious mind. And when you impress the subconscious mind, you know, it really is what is reflected in your outer experience. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on spirituality, subconscious mind, manifesting, and spirituality and all that jazz. So if you like talking about that kind of thing, so do I, and I think you'll like it here. So anyways, that is all for this video, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.